2-bed flat to rent on Moorhouse, Canary Central, Canary Wharf. Reiss Samuels is pleased to present to the market this 2-bed flat to rent on Moor. This property is located on Moorhouse, Canary Central. View this property on map. Explore this property neighborhood. This property has easy access to different transport links. Some excellent schools are near this property, making it an ideal purchase for family. Bedroom, bathroom, living room, kitchen, bedroom. Recent sales near this property are shown here with sale prices. This property is marketed by Reiss Samuels. They have expertise. For further details, please visit Houser website.